Okay, as promised, we are going to look at the comments and we're going to pick a winner to receive last week's painting. So let's look at the comments. Ooh, 14. Actually, 13, because there's a double comment from James Matheson. That's okay, buddy. One comment per customer. Okay, so we have 13 comments. I'm going to jump over to the Google number randomizer. All right, so minimum is 1, maximum is 13. Ooh, here we go. We'll generate. 12. Who is number 12? The winner, number 12, is Bev Miller. So congratulations. I know where you live, so I don't have to spend money on shipping. I'll drop it off Sunday. Congratulations. Hey, it's Cornfu. So this week we're going to go retro. A friend of mine from college posted a piece a couple weeks ago of a slee stack from the 70s show Land of the Lost. She did a great job on it, and I was like, wow. I wanted to draw me something from that time period. And then I was like, bing, I'll draw her something. She draws me something. So I reached out to her, and she agreed. So I was pretty excited about that. So she is going to draw me a character from Battle of the Planets from the 70s. And I'm going to draw her a character from, you got to wait for it. She already told me what she wants. It's a little obscure. It's cool. I remember watching it as well. So let's jump in and get this thing done. I can't wait to see what character she picks for me. I got to wait, though. Patience is not my thing, but all right, let's go. Back. Marine Boy. I remember watching this as a kid. He had oxygen gum. Stick of gum, pop it in, chew it up, you've got oxygen. You can go underwater and swim and not die. That's good. Anti-death gum. I was like, what? He had a dolphin. There was a mermaid chick. I don't remember. That was a long time ago. But it's kind of coming back to me. Maybe I need to take those jellyfish pills. No pun intended with the whole underwater theme. Anyway, Rachel, I hope you enjoy your Marine Boy painting. I know I said it was going to do like a 4x4, but I got into this. I thought, why not do a 12x12? I can't wait to see the piece that you're working on for me. No pressure. Take your time. I'm excited though. And it can be whatever size, whatever medium. It can be digital. I don't care. Just draw my character. I'm excited. I'm going to mail this to you. I hope you enjoy it. And, okay, next week. So I'm doing something a little bit more difficult. It's something I haven't done before. I know I've said that before. I've done stuff that, some of these projects I've never done before. This one I haven't either. And it's going to take me a little bit more time. And I don't think I can do it in a week. I have a day job and I can't I can't make it to work today. I have to go to work. I have to earn the beans, make the money. So I have to squeeze this stuff in on the side. So hopefully I can get this thing finished in a week. If not, I'll see you in 2 weeks. But regardless, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit like, leave a comment. And I'd like to give away more stuff. This is kind of fun. See you next week. Maybe. I was like, what?